In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reminder bot on Slack. If you want a quick and simple way to remember important tasks without leaving Slack, the built-in reminder feature is a great option. It lets you create personal reminders right from the message box, so you can stay on top of deadlines, follow-ups, or routine tasks while you work. To get started, open Slack and click into the message field. In the text box, type a / followed by the word remind. This brings up Slack's reminder command, which is the shortcut you'll use to create the reminder. If you're new to slash commands, don't worry. They're just simple text commands that tell Slack to perform a specific action. Once you've typed the command, the next step is to add your reminder message. For example, you can type something like, "Remind me to submit expenses in 2 hours." The key here is to include both the task you want to be reminded about and the time you want the reminder to appear. Slack is designed to understand natural phrasing, like "in 2 hours," which makes this feature very easy to use. As you write the reminder, try to keep the message clear and specific. That way, when the notification appears later, you'll immediately know what action you need to take. This is especially helpful if you create several reminders throughout the day. After entering the full reminder, go ahead and send it. Once you click send, Slack will process the command and save the reminder for you. In most cases, Slack will also show a confirmation message so you know the reminder has been scheduled successfully. From there, all you need to do is wait. Slack will notify you based on the reminder you created. When the scheduled time arrives, you'll receive a message from Slackbot with the reminder text you entered earlier. This makes it easy to keep track of tasks without needing a separate to-do app or calendar alert for every small item. A useful tip is to phrase reminders in a way that makes sense at a glance. Short, action-focused wording usually works best. You can use this for work tasks, personal follow-ups, meeting prep, or anything else you don't want to forget during a busy day. And that's all it takes to add a reminder bot on Slack. It's fast, built-in, and incredibly useful for staying organized right where your team communication already happens.